What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, guys. The sun is finally out. Thank you, Jesus. So we finally got a good day of weather the next couple of days. So literally I was done for the day and I was like, you know what? Let me make a quick video. Some have asked, Carlos, what is the update on the GX3 plastic trim restore or plastic restore? The update. So that's what this video is about. If you guys have been wondering how it has been holding off on the areas I applied it, stick around. Let me get the pressure washer set up and we'll get started on this video. So I'll be very honest with you guys. I haven't washed my truck for literally a month. Since I applied this, I haven't washed it. So that gives you a time frame of this area here not being touched. So we're definitely, I'm excited. I'm excited to really see how this thing has hold off. Obviously, you're gonna see this clip right here really quick where I'm gonna show you the before, how it looks. It's more of an up close so you guys can see that it is dirty. It has been getting all types of elements on this front bumper. Obviously, it should be a little bit dirtier, but on average, my truck stays in the garage. So plus I didn't drive it through the freeze and ice. So that's why it doesn't look that dirty, but it's been a month since I have washed this truck. So we're gonna be rinsing it off and we're gonna see how it looks and we're gonna foam it as well, agitate it, and then I'll be able to show you guys how it looks with the after. All right, so we're gonna begin with the rinsing stage, and I want you guys to see this. I was already rinsing it off, but I wanna show you guys how this thing works. And you're gonna notice on this clip right here, this area right here where I'm spraying it down, there is a lot of beading action. So that tells me that this thing will fight the elements pretty good, guys. I'm very impressed actually by this product. We're gonna go ahead and foam it. We're gonna foam this front to get all the grime off and then dry it off, and we're gonna see how it looks once everything is dried off nicely. I'm using the Max Shine foam cannon with the Max Shine soap as well, the green one. Not bad for 2 ounces. That thing is thick. Let me get my wash mitt. And we are going to wash this bumper really quick. Might as well clean the grill. One thing I like about the Max Shine soap, it smells really good too. They sell 16 ounces and a gallon as well for those who want to try out the soap. Just use my code Serranos15 and you'll get 15% off at checkout. And another reason I have liked this soap is for when I'm working outside. It rinses off really nice. Even if the sun is hitting it, it rinses off pretty good. All right. Now, let's go ahead and rinse it off and dry it. And for those who have purchased this blower, thank you guys for your support. As always, this is the MaxShine. This is the MaxShine blower. I have really enjoyed. This is their mini handheld dryer. It has enough power, guys, to do everything. But if you purchase one, thank you guys. Remember, you can also use the code on this one, Serranos15, on the MaxShine website. I'll be posting links to everything in the description. And it's a solid blower. So also, if you have it, let me know what you guys think in the comments if you've enjoyed using it. But yeah, thank you guys. So how is it holding off after a month of no washes? Nothing has been done to the bumper. I haven't applied no toppers or nothing like that, and I'm just gonna keep it like that. After a month of application, my honest feedback, guys, this actually works to my liking, of course. You're gonna see how it looks, the before and the after. Obviously, guys, all this here is before, dry, and the after, you have that nice gloss. It's doing pretty good, to be honest, from what I can tell, right? When it comes to these types of products, I don't like to advertise it as a trim restoration. Even if the can says restoration, I never advertise it as a restoration package, just because I always feel like the product, it's more of an enhancement. You're enhancing the look of the trim, right? In this case, the bumper. After a month and how well it performs, there is still a lot of beading when you hit it with water. So that's gonna tell me really, I don't see the water behavior being flat anytime soon. So we're definitely gonna be kind of keeping an eye on it. This is the month update. Maybe I'll do one in 3 or 4 months and see how well it has done. But for the month, that is looking pretty good. I'm very impressed with the product. I picked up that can at Walmart, right? It was very inexpensive too, and it produces results. So I'm very happy with the product, guys. There is your update, guys, on 1 month with the trim, with the GX trim restore or trim restoration, right? Really good product so far. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.